Y'all see that? That is nice. It was traded in. I'm not sure what we have on the lot that will justify trading this in on something FCA carry. Okay. I don't know. Not saying they're in. They may wanted an SUV. Not sure if BMW have SUVs in their arsenal.
So you can set it where it's manual only too. Yeah. You push over once, it goes into manual mode where it shows the plus and minus, but you have to change the gears. And then you push it over again, and then it just shows a little stick in the middle like it fucking does it automatically.
What the hell? Is that like auto stick?
Yeah. Legit auto stick though. Like,
oh, look at that! So it's an automatic slash.
Yeah. No, it's a manual automatic. It's a manual driven automatic. No, it's a manual transmission.
It's a oh, it's a stick? It's a clutch?
No. It's a manual transmission that has electronic doing all the pedals for you.
So ain't no clutch over there?
Yeah, it's like our, we had one too, in the dark.
We don't have nothing like this, sir. Sorry.
We have a transmission like
we have nothing similar to this, sir. So it's two pedals over there. Three pedals total.
No, 2 pedals. Brake, gas.
Well,
but it's a manual transmission.
Are you talking about our modulated transmission? Yeah, I think
that's
I know.
What this is.
Yeah.
But it's an actual manual transmission.
What if you let it? If you let the RPM get too high, it'll go into dummy mode on it and do it itself?
Nope.
Some of our stuff, if you idiot,
they don't do that.
They just let you rev it up until. If
you can put it in automatic and it'll do it for you. But if you put this in manual mode, you can redline this car.
Hey, a CD player. We did it. This can't be a brand new car because they no longer do.
Yeah, it's 15.
Oh, 15, and it's got this many. Yeah, all CD players. They're not being putting them in no new cars. What that mean?
It's actual carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
This isn't fake carbon fiber. This is actual carbon fiber.
So in 2015, this was top of the line.
Oh yeah, for a BMW.
Oh, that's gonna help it sell. Guys, it's got a sunroof. What they get, man? What they trade us in for? What do we have on the lot that would justify? Okay, I forgot about our Hellcats.
Would destroy this thing.
Well, guys, they seem to suspect he traded in for a Hellcat. That's the only thing that we have that will. Now that's if you're chasing power and speed, okay? Not sure you're gonna get that out of this, but little wing thing on the back. This is neat. Holy crap! And it's a 2015 model, so I can imagine what the car costs or what it's gonna cost when we're done inspecting everything. Now, because we do a 27 full-blown inspection, I'm sure some of this stuff is gonna come off for like the air filter and things like that. Now, I want to get inside, guys. He's out now. Okay, I want to get a feel for this thing. Any BMW owners out there? I can't explain it. I won't even try. If you can, please give it a shot. Let me know. All right. I've been in this cage for so long. I need to get out more and broaden my horizon, guys. Okay. I want to explore new makes and model of different car makers. Yes, BMW, and I'm aware, mechanics' favorite slogan is a car is a car is a car. That may be true, but there's a lot of electronic differences between the two. Okay, yes. Nice sunroof. This car should not be on the lot long at freaking all. So, I would love to go test drive it. It's a used car. They just traded it in. Hey, look at this. Guys, what do you suspect? And you got 2 of them. I can almost bet these keys are $250 and up, because I know what our keys cost. A brand new key for a Chrysler Pacifica is built like this, and it costs $230. This is a BMW 2015 model, and these keys are OEM quality, so they're not just cheap eBay, Amazon knockoff. All right, so wow, it has to be $250 and up. I know. All right, I want to see when they let it up in the air. For all I know, it could be all-wheel drive. And you finna let this in the air? You letting it in there? Good. He getting ready to let it in the air, guys. So we'll see then. Stay tuned. Wait a minute. What you say? Let me see.
Just like we do.
Oh, no spare tire? Well, what if they have a flat, man?
BMW's a run flat.
Run flat? No, I'm not a big fan of run flat.
When you have a flat, this is what you do. You call 1-800-BMW. You don't.
What?
You want one of these, you don't change the tire yourself.
Well, you too good for it?
Yes, yes, I am.
So this is a run flat tire.
Yeah, that's definitely a run flat tire.
This is-
If you own this car, you don't let your tires get close to being flat.
Really? That's how that works? Oh, I hear the hesitation. All right, guys, we're getting ready to go in the air. I want to see what's going on the bottom. All right, guys, we're going up in the air. I want to see. Dude. What?
Oh, we need fucking rotors. Oh, no.
What? What y'all pointing at? Oh, no, what?
Oh, that's a $3,000 brake job. Oh, look at the rotors.
It's got a lip on it?
Dude, that's like $5,000 brake job.
Why so much? Why it cost so much?
Look at that.
You can turn that. Y'all don't resurface rotors?
Not those. Not BMWs. You're not supposed to resurface BMW. Not BMW.
Oh, you see a lip on there? Oh, that's caved in.
Yeah.
Roosevelt is not going to appreciate you, Kirk, for doing this.
Oh, he's going to appreciate the hell out of it.
What? Ooh, that brake pad low too?
Yep. I told you when you pulled it in, I pulled the lip.
Kirk, it's not back, it's rear. I heard when somebody say back brakes.
Kick it on back.
No one says back brake. Professional user terminology is rear brake. All right, now it's time for underbody view.
I don't think it needs back brakes.
Man, they got the whole underbody covered up.
Let's see here.
See that?
Oh man, what do we got here? 14s, 15s?
What you looking at? I want to see. Oh,
I gotta take that off.
yes, you do. I want to see what's going on.
Yeah, I gotta see if it's got the undercutting package or not. The European.
Undercoated package?
Yeah, European undercutting package.
Whoa, no. Hey, so they have a unique way to change the hub bearings. Big, huge, that look like about a T50, guys. Torque bits, okay? Because there's no axle going through here, the hub bearing should be fairly easy to do on this. Alright, guys, I think I spent the whole time slot on this freaking BMW, and it was well worth it. Alright, I wanted to get a feel for how this thing. Now, when they're done, I'm gonna go test drive it with the camera running, guys. So I'll really call that part 2, because I want to get a feel for it. Hey, is that a condenser? Or the radiator? That's likely the radiator. It looks like a cooler in there. Huh, 2-piece. See. Alright, guys, just stay tuned for part 2.